Well, this is another edition of the Summer Sweeper Series. I got a tough lane draw. Sammy Calderon's first tournament, there's 35 bowlers. It is 42 feet, 2.63 to 1. It's men's team trials pattern day 4 of this year. So it should be fairly challenging, and the most challenging aspect of this is my lane draw. I got random number generated, and I got put on a lane with 3 other lefties. There's only 4 people on a pair. All of us are lefty, 3 of us are two-handed, 1 of us is one-handed, and there's gonna be some transition going on. So hopefully I can battle it out. Hopefully I can, make the right moves at the right times, change balls and everything at the right time. I'm looking forward to another Summer Sweeper Series. As the summer comes to a close, there's not gonna be many more tournaments. And there's also a lot of you out there that just haven't subscribed to the channel yet. And if you guys wanna subscribe, just click that button down below. It helps us out. And we're gonna keep coming at you with content no matter what, but it just helps us out if you go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, because we know who you are if you haven't subscribed. We know. Now let's get into bowling. God, Packy. Bad shot. Yo. Oh my God, lucky. Slipped off my finger. Oh, good shot here. Come on, focus. Game 1 at 222, I had some lucky breaks. I found some good ball reaction there towards the end of the game, so hopefully I can continue that. I'm thinking about making a ball change game 2 to maybe that Teal Rhino Pro. However, we'll see, because I had a good back half of the game. I'm just looking to hopefully keep the string going and maybe throw a little bit better shots game 2, because my shot making wasn't very good game 1. So hopefully game 2 is a little better. Yes. Hook. Oh, you got around it. Hook. Down. And it does that. Game 2 was another solid game, another 220 or 230 there, so I'm bowling very well. The scores are really low. However, there's definitely some high and some low. I'm taking a little less risky route. I'm playing a little more of the front part of the lane, getting my ball to be a little smoother on the lane, I think is working for me. Some of the guys on my lane, like Zach Leshkar, are playing ball reaction a little further down lane. And being paired up with 4 lefties, I am seeing some transition throughout the game, which is interesting and a little fun to deal with because I have to move throughout the game. I can't just kind of get locked in and stay where I'm at. So it's fun, it's exciting, it's new, and I'm bowling well. So hopefully we can keep that up game 4. Game 3. Hopefully we can keep that up game 3. Push. Pick up. Game 3 was more of the same, another pretty solid game for me in the 220 range. I'm like 70-ish over after 3 with another like 220 there. Solid game, some okay breaks, some okay shots. I did end up switching to the radioactive vibe, as you guys saw. It didn't give me as much misroom to the left. However, it did give me a little more misroom to the right. And I think going into game 4, I'm gonna throw the sneak attack. I'm gonna move a little further to the left because Zach's got a really good look. I'm chasing him down right now because he shot 279. So I'm like 30 off the lead with like a 20 pin cushion above 3rd place. So hopefully I can chase Zach down and hopefully throw enough strikes this last game because I'm making a risky play here to try and take home the dub. Yo, oh, Packy. So. Hook. Well, I didn't do it. I missed a spare, I missed a split, and I didn't really strike enough to make up for that. So I shot 188. I think it dropped me to 4th. So not too bad, a great tournament for me overall. I learned some things about myself. I learned some things about my bowling balls. I think what I should have done was maybe stick with that radioactive vibe, playing a little more in the middle of the lane, and really just try and put some pressure on Zach and see how he reacted as I bowled well. Because I was very consistently in that 220s and 230s line. I just wasn't getting, enough, a little high enough up there. So yeah, I think next time, lesson learned. However, I bowled great. I came home with some cash, and I'm looking forward to the next one. So hopefully Sammy runs another one here in the coming months, because it was a great turnout. 35 people showed up. I finished 4th, which was awesome. Very hit miss for a lot of people. However, I was able to stay a little more consistent. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. I appreciate you sticking around to the end. And as always, guys, click that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you want to follow along for more of these summer series and more of the extra stuff that we do here on the house. So check that out. Click that subscribe button. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.